I've never heard myself make so many weird noises. Anyway, so that's this morning. Yeah, I woke up at a good time too, so that's alright, but now things are getting better, but I made this really weird sound where I'm trying to clear my airways, and it sounds like my friend's dog Winston, who's a King Charles Cavalier cross, when his nasal passages get an air bubble. He does the same thing. So it's my ode to Winston. It's gotten some very weird noises coming out. I think it's also because the vocal cords are very swollen and tight, and they can make some very odd, weird whistling or strange sounds. So I just wanted to scratch some of the okay. Started. If I could stop myself from trying to laugh onto it.
Winston!